Welcome to this guide on creating a seamless customer onboarding experience using this customizable presentation template. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, onboarding new customers effectively is crucial for long-term success. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use and customize this presentation to suit your specific needs. Let's get into it. This template includes key elements such as an onboarding agenda, product explainer, performance criteria, support and resources, and much more. We'll dive into each section to show you how to maximize its use. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with valuable content like this. We also offer 500 other business frameworks and spreadsheets on our website, so be sure to check those out. So without further ado, let's get into the template. In a client onboarding deck, start with an agenda and a checklist. This agenda provides a high-level guide for each stage of the customer journey, helping clients understand expectations, the timeline, and progression. For multiple onboarding sessions, outline the agenda, goals, and any customer to-do items, as clients may have tasks to complete alongside your training and tutorials. This is another visualization of an onboarding agenda, showing the different stages and their subtasks from left to right. Lastly, it's important to showcase the onboarding artifacts. This means detailing the resources and assets the client can expect to receive at each stage. Using the same timeline, we can show who is responsible for each stage. For example, here, the engagement manager is responsible for the first 2 stages. Another key component of a customer onboarding deck is the product explainer. After selling them a product, you need to explain how to use it and what are they getting. Start with an overview of why they should work with you, the benefits they'll receive, the tool's features, and the expected results, including performance improvements. This is a more detailed visualization of the product catalog and features. It shows what the client bought and what they can expect to access. If your product or service offers different tiers, such as basic and advanced, you can outline all of these in this table. And lastly, these slides offer an actual tutorial visualization, which is highly useful. You can link them to a video or a website to a detailed step-by-step explanation. They provide a breakdown of all the demo and key steps customers can expect when using the product. The third major component of a customer onboarding presentation is outlining the performance criteria. In other words, what does success look like? What are the KPIs for success? After buying the product, clients need to know how you, as the seller, will help them achieve their goals. You can start with a slide like this to highlight the key North Star metrics, indicating the performance improvements clients can expect in terms of numbers. This slide provides a detailed breakdown of how success is evaluated over time, from the moment the company signs up to months or years down the road as their integration of the product matures. This slide focuses on KPIs for success. It illustrates the client's current experiences compared to what they can expect by a certain date, showing the desired outcomes versus the current situation in various areas. The final component of a customer onboarding deck is support and resources. These informational slides help clients understand where to look for help, find more information, and identify the key team members to contact with questions. This section can include roles and responsibilities of key personnel, such as the product manager or client success manager, who will be responsible for one-on-one interactions with the client. This slide provides an overview of the available support channels such as email, one-on-one in-person meetings, social media, or even a 24/7 AI-enabled automated customer support system. Multiple channels are useful because they allow customers to choose the most effective and efficient support option based on the context of their needs. And lastly, every presentation should end with a nice closure. This is like the back cover of the presentation, wrapping everything together. It thanks the customers and invites them to get in touch with the sales or support team if they have any questions, ending on a pleasant note. One of the best features of this template is its customizability. Every element can be tailored to fit your specific requirements, from adding your company branding to modifying content to match your processes. This template is designed to be flexible and user-friendly. A well-rounded onboarding strategy not only benefits your customers but also drives significant positive outcomes for your business. By using this customizable template, you can enhance customer satisfaction, boost retention rates, and foster long-term loyalty. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.